Hello folks, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty. I'm continuing my daily English vlog, and today I'm going to talk about the study techniques. We all study, right? I'm studying for a big I have been studying from a big period of my lifetime, but I wasn't effective as much as I am right now. So I'm going to share some study techniques that I followed, and I believe that everyone should follow these techniques in order to be more efficient in your study. If you search in online, you would find several learning techniques that people have been using. You have also used some of them. I think note taking is a technique that we all have used somewhere, and like listening, reading, recording, listening, these are some study techniques, but I will talk about today 3 important techniques that will help you much more. So the first one is called pomodoro technique. What is this? We know we have in our mind, we have focus bubbles. We cannot study 4 hours, 5 hours straight without losing our focus. Our mind is kind of shifting one to another. So to deal with this stuff, we can follow pomodoro technique. What it is actually, it's actually you set a time like 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 25 minutes. You sit down there, and for this 25 minutes you'll take no distraction. You'll be fully focused on your study, and try to less wasting time. We all know in our study sessions, sometimes research we read less and waste time more. So in this 25 minutes of focus bubble, you should read more than wasting time. So after 25 minutes, what you will do, you can set 15 minutes, 10 minutes of resting time to just relaxing your nerves, relaxing your memory system to absorb more into information in upcoming time. So these focus bubbles, like if you do 3 or 4, like you have taken 25 minutes for instance, so if you take 3 or 4 session of 25 minutes, so it will be actually for 2 hours, and these 2 hours would be very effective. That actually is better than 4 hour constrained reading. Continued reading is better than this 2 hours. So this is called pomodoro technique. You'll find some apps in Play Store, and I am using some of those right now. If you search it, you will find many. You can use any of that. And the another technique is active recalling. What is this? If you take a study session, like I have to read from morning 6 to 10 am. It is my study session. After that, you have to practice active recalling. What is that? In this 4 hours, it's kind of revision. What you have learned, ask yourself questions. Ask yourself or ask some people to question you. What it would do, it will exercise your memory, and this active recalling is actually helping you to construct your mind, construct your memory. Otherwise, you'll forget every information. So if you think closely, what exam actually does, it's actually do ourselves to force active recalling. That's why some of the information will remember after exam also. So it's a very good way. And the third one is spaced repetition. And what is spaced repetition? It's actually, we as a human being, it's quite impossible to memorize something in one go. Like if we read something that it's very obvious that we'll forget it in the next day or 2 days after. So to fight this stuff, you can practice a spaced repetition. What is that? If you study one thing in Saturday, you can set its revision time, or again you will read it in Monday after 2 days or 1 day, and then you can repeat it after 4 days, 5 days, then after 1 week, until that thing actually sets into your memory. And believe me, anything, you can memorize anything with this technique. So these 3 techniques I was planning to share, because this is the most effective way to learn. You will find almost other techniques like writing notes, and you think you will revision it before exam, but it doesn't satisfy you or doesn't value your time well. So I will encourage you, all the people, to practice this study techniques. And what is your result? You can comment below. Thank you.